Very quick video this morning. I have to say this one really frustrates me. This is when you've bought something from a shop, it goes wrong, you take it back to the shop and they say take it up with the manufacturer. I've lost track of how many times this has happened to me, and I have to argue about it because, lo and behold, I know the law, and the law says that your contract is with the shop. It's not with the manufacturer. Now, this is different from a warranty or any sort of extended guarantee or anything like that. Those are in addition to your statutory rights. You might have seen the phrase very often, this is in addition to your statutory rights, or your statutory rights are not affected. This is because they cannot affect your statutory rights. They cannot take away or contract out of or in any way ignore your statutory rights, which is if you've bought something from a shop and it goes wrong, you have 30 days within which, as a consumer, you can reject that product because it is just not fit for purpose, not satisfactory quality. And if you bought it online, you can do that within the first 14 days, beginning the day after you receive it, with no reason at all, and you can send it back. There's a lot more about that in different videos. But when something actually goes wrong with the product, your contract is with the shop, and they cannot just send you to the manufacturer. So this comes out of my community tab post about what have you bought that went wrong and what did the shop and the trader do about it. Some traders are really good, to be fair. They do sort these things out. But many of them, they just don't. They try and send you to the manufacturer and all sorts of stuff. So I've had lots of stories like that myself. I've had lots of clients that have had things like that go wrong. And it doesn't matter whether it is a small product for £50 or a few £100s. This same goes for anything up to tens of thousands of pounds like cars. I've just recently had another very good success story with a car, a brand new car. It was in the region of £80,000-90,000 worth. I get lots of these cases, and so far I've always been successful in convincing the dealers to do something about it. It's never without a bit of an argument. They always put up a bit of a fight. But at the end of the day, there's no real fighting when a car has gone wrong. And in all these cases, the more you spend on something, the more you should expect from it. That shouldn't really be the way that it is, but it is the way that it is. The courts have decided that the more you spend on something, the more you should expect back from that product. The higher the standard of quality you should expect. But if you've got a story like this, drop it in the comments below. Let me know what happened. I would love to talk through some of those and explain how you might go about solving them. But this is a bugbear of mine, so don't let the traders, the shops, do that to you. As I say, most of them are pretty good, but some of them are quite terrible. So let me know if that's happened to you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.